front of us, we have one of the most iconic buildings in town. So, I'm a history nerd, so I like the story about this place. It's really, really cool. This place right here is called Riviera. Today it's like a social civic center. You know, they do cultural things. Tequila goes down on its own. It's just the way you drink it. You take the shot, you drink it all, and then breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. That's how you drink tequila. Right now, when you do it, try it, and you'll see the difference. The breathing in and out regulates the alcohol content, and you're able to tolerate it and to actually enjoy it. If you need lime or salt, that's because it was a bad tequila. So here they got real good tequila. I really like it. All right, so get your gear.
See, we got clay, powder clay. So as soon as you get there, you're gonna get dirty. You have to ride a motorcycle. You just gotta get there, and that's it. You know, you end up like me. So it's not gonna do. I'm not gonna do a safety speech. I'm gonna do a class. Okay, how to drive the motorcycle. It will help you a lot on the driving. And as soon as you get it, like 10 minutes from here, 15, maybe you're gonna get a little bit more confidence, and relax a little bit more, and enjoy it. So first of all, the motorcycle we're riding, it's a Honda 250 semi-automatic, okay? So, when you get on the motorcycle, you have to have a good stand-up. Right now, I'm sideways a little bit, but still, I got a good stem. As you see, you're gonna look cool. If you got some videos and you're like, it's gonna be so cool, okay? If you're like stiff and straight, it's like, no, there you go, it's too slow. It's that. At the beginning, we're gonna do the lap section here. This is the practice run. It's flat, okay?